How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get white teeth, step by step, instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So how do you get white teeth? Getting white teeth is very, very simple. If you look at my teeth, they're pure white. You can literally see, look, pure white. So what do? I do what's called oil pulling. It is very, very simple to do. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, swish it in front of your mouth for 30 seconds, spit it out. Do it once in the morning, once before going to bed. That is it. Continue to brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Continue to floss at night. That is all you have to do. Oil pulling will get your teeth whiter within 2 to 3 days. To get them pure white like mine, will take about a week or 2. And then they'll stay white forever as long as you continue to oil pull. Here's the funny thing. Oil pulling is not new. A lot of tribes, thousands and thousands of years ago, would do oil pulling, but they would actually do it for 20 minutes a day because there's lots of other benefits other than getting white teeth. There's lots of health benefits for doing this, but they would do it 20 minutes a day, usually twice a day. So a total of 40 minutes a day. You don't have to do that. I do it 30 seconds in the morning, 30 seconds at night. And again, look at my teeth are pure white. You can get pure white teeth too. You just have to do that. It is the simplest thing you can do. It is better than getting your teeth bleached or white strips or anything. All that, there's so many different things you can do for your teeth nowadays. And 95% of that damages your teeth. Oil pulling helps your teeth. It improves them. It makes them better. It makes them stronger, as well as getting you white teeth. So that's what I recommend. Give it a try. Comment below. Let me know what you think. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.